Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Christian Vargas. I'm in the transportation industry, what it's like in the industry, and have fun with it. So please follow. Alright, so we did a little bit of trailer maintenance. That's all done for now. We gotta go find some freight, start making some phone calls, and get these trucks moving. We'll get to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, welcome to my small office. Excuse the mess. We just grabbed a load from Coyote Logistics from Gardena, California, going to La Puente, California. It's a short local run. That being said, 2 years ago, I was on my computer most of the time. Now with apps and access to your mobile device, makes it so easy. So hope you guys are enjoying today's day. We'll catch up later. We're checking in at San Gabriel Valley Warehouse and Storage. Let's hope it's not a nightmare, which doesn't look like it. Looks like it's a beverage facility. I'll give you guys an update in a bit. Drive was pretty smooth. Made it safe. Hope everyone's Wednesday hump day is going good. Alright, so we just parked the truck. No specific instructions on where to park it, but when you're gonna check in, since you have a big rig, park it somewhere where it's not in the way. Go ahead and proceed safely to check in. Post out. And be polite, right? Be polite, but obviously, jog, be on the move, right? Be on the move. We're about to check in and see how it goes. Alright, you'll see a door like that, driver check-in, give you some instructions. There's a power unit only load, which means that the tractor is only needed here in Fontana, California, and goes to Azusa. It's paying pretty good, but we still have to get set up. I'm not quite sure if I should grab that one or not. But we have another option that requires our trailer picking up out of Azusa, deliver tomorrow morning in Rancho from one of our regular customers. And so I'm just I'm checking credit on the broker. It looks like he's been in business. The company's been in business for a while. Should pass, but we'll see. So, but we're empty here, about to check out, grab our paperwork, and head out. First time driving one of these. United Van Lines mover. Yeah, you guys. That's why I love it. You know, you do something different. the time. Come on, guys. Oh, that's not working. I have to let you guys go. What's up, everyone? It's 10:30 p.m. here in the city of Industry, California. We're getting loaded here at Direct Pack. They're working on us right now, and we're gonna call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's day. It was productive. It was a lot of fun. Extremely hot. That's for damn sure. Let's hope tomorrow we don't get the same heat. That being said, it's a wrap. See you guys tomorrow.
Look what you made me do, Taylor Swift.